Here we go. Hey, it's Tony talking car biz. Check it out. Here is the new 2020 Toyota 4Runner limited edition with the nightshade package. So in this video, I just want to point out some of the differences between a nightshade and other versions of the 4Runner. First of all, in order to get the nightshade package, you must purchase the limited edition. So the limited edition is the top of the line, and it is the most luxurious of all the 4Runners, so you got to start there. And then the nightshade package includes a lot of exterior accents and some interior accents. For example, the badge, the Toyota badge, is that matte black finish, and you'll see that styling cue as we walk around the vehicle. It also features this black chrome finish across the front of the grille in various points throughout the car, and I'll point those out as we go as well. Now this is the midnight black metallic, and it is offered in a couple different colors, the blizzard pearl and then the gray, the dark gray color as well. One of the things about this midnight black metallic is you can see it has kind of a blue paint speckle to it. So it really shines. It's really a unique color of black and looks great on this vehicle. You'll notice right away there are large 20-inch black, piano black alloy wheels, and those are a 245/60R20. So they're a great combination of all-season tire for on-road driving, but they'll do great off-road as well. These are the largest wheels that come from the factory on a 4Runner, 20-inch. Now this one does have the black out running boards, which are an extra fee. I believe they're $5.99, and they look really great on this vehicle. But one of the things that I really like about them is this top surface is rubberized, so your feet won't slip on there. It feels really easy to get in and out, and it doesn't block your path when you're getting in and out of the vehicle. So I recommend those, but they are an extra charge. And then of course the blacked out luggage rack up on top, part of the nightshade package, and again with the blacked out emblems, limited edition there. And then as I come around the back, you'll see the 4Runner and the Toyota badging is blacked out as well. And then we've got more of that black chrome accent that's all the way around the car. Of course, it does come with a Class 3 trailer towing package, but that's standard on the limited edition with the full-size spare tire and all the wiring tucked up underneath. So it gives it a really clean look across the back. You'll also notice the blacked out edition does come with this blacked out chrome exhaust tip. And then in the back, this particular one does have the third row seat, which you can fold down like so. And of course, limited editions come with the JBL audio system and your power ports all tucked away inside there. Coming around to the passenger side, I'm just going to duck into the rear seat, and you'll notice we have kind of a black lacquer finish on the door handles. Really nice. One of the things I like about the backs of the seats is they're a hard ABS plastic, so they're not going to get ripped or stained. Map pockets, of course power outlets, and then the limited does come with the perforated leather seats. This is a black leather seat with the folding armrest and the cup holder, just like so. And they do have a white contrast stitching all the way around the seats on the limited edition with the black leather. Let's go ahead and dive into the passenger side here. Again, with that white stitching and the black lacquer on the door handles, looks awesome. It's kind of a metallic black. And then the seats are dual power seats. This is a 4-way power seat on the passenger side. The driver's side is an 8-way power seat with lumbar controls. And of course, the limited edition does come with a power sliding moonroof. So all of these features you're going to get on a limited, and then the blacked out edition's a little bit extra. Here's the window sticker on this one. It does list out for $51,000 $13. There is a $1,000 package savings on the Keep It Wild package savings, and the leather seat, 50/50 seat in the back, all season floor mats, and then there's those running boards for $5.99. I think they look great, but you decide for yourself. So there's your fuel economy. Combined is 17, so that's an average of city and highway. With the blacked out edition, really a sharp looking vehicle. And if you like a loaded vehicle but you want an off-road vehicle and you also want a great ride, this really is a great option. Go ahead and jump in on the driver's side here. You see the driver's side seats, and there's your power seats, your power lumbar support, of course. And your steering wheel is blacked out as well, with, of course, fingertip controls and such for your sound system. And then this is the new center stack on the 2020. So that's an 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, of course. And there's your center console with the black lacquer shift knob. And so this is as, I'm guessing, about as loaded as they come. There might be another option or two you can add to it, but that's a $51,000 2020 Toyota 4Runner limited edition with the the nightshade package. And man, that thing looks great. We've got a good selection of them right here at the dealership. Call or stop by. We'd be happy to show you one to make a deal. This is Tony talking car biz. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. Thanks again.